What's going on, everyone? Michael here. I just wanted to make this quick video. So, over the time of recording, ChatGPT has recently just come out with a new feature called Search. And I obviously like to talk about ChatGPT and AI, but I realized that you have to be a Plus user to use it. And I just use ChatGPT free. So I could obviously buy it, but I started doing some research on other like AI powered search engine, and I came across this really cool tool called Genspark. Now, I haven't really messed around with it, but just from the 5 to 10 minutes I've played with it, I just turned on my camera and I wanted to start recording. So what I've noticed is that how it looks is crazy visually appealing as far as, let's just go for an example. Let's go to travel. Over here is what's called the Copilot. And it's kind of like an interactive thing where you can just give it questions and it'll write back to you, kind of like ChatGPT. But let's say I want to go on France on a budget. What it's going to do is it's going to give you some information, and it's going to generate some Spark pages for you. And what a Spark page is it's basically another name for a web page, but just on the Genspark search engine. So we'll give it a little time. You can already tell right here, just read that. But look at this. These right here are the different Spark pages, but also it's going to generate over here. So let's just go with this one. And see, I just think this is kind of reminds me of Notion as far as how it looks. And I really like the look of that. And I also like the dark background too. So, and this is one thing I noticed too. So look, that there's actually, it's taking YouTube videos, but as far as like, keyword research and everything, I think it's going to change the game as far as people are going to start having to think about ranking in these other search engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and now even like Genspark. But let's say Paris on a budget. Let's keep scrolling. Tips. So literally giving you different websites and everything to check out. The one I did before I recorded this video, it was on I clicked on Italy, or like, let's go Paris for a 3-day itinerary. And you're going to see, it literally gives you like day one. It's going to take you like 15 minutes to get to the airport. And like, you should do this. And it gives you like, look at this. It's giving you travel times, what to do day one, what to do day two. It's giving you the travel information, the phone number. So for someone like me, who's not the best at planning everything, if I want to take a trip somewhere, this is just mind blowing, because just a month ago, I didn't really know too much about like AI powered search engines. And is that even a thing? Like, I've used Perplexity before and things like that. ChatGPT, I think this is crazy. But what I'm going to be using this more so for is like, let's go back to the homepage and just look up, what are the is use this to try to find some new and emerging AI tools. So it's literally, as you can see, going through the web. See, if you were trying to rank for what are emerging AI tools, like, you could potentially get views from this power AI search engine based on that. So some emerging AI tools. So these are pretty common ones. Maybe let's type in new. And let's type in because what you want to do is you basically want to find some tools that are not been talked about a lot. Like, if you search AI, ChatGPT, and YouTube, The search volume is crazy. Same with monthly visitors. Okay, look at these. So if I wasn't doing this video, probably once I get off, I'm gonna check out Prompt Perfect. I'm gonna check out Avo, Glide AI. This tool it's awesome, but like I can't even wrap my head around it. It just came out. I don't know. This tool is definitely new, but I'm talking about like ChatGPT Search just came out. I haven't done my research on this tool yet. I think it came out only a couple months ago, but I think that we're just going into a whole new area where even myself, like I might not be using Google as much as, well, I definitely won't be using Google as much as I normally have. But it's so cool. But so like what you would do is let's just take Prompt Perfect, for example, and then let's go to, so there's plenty of free keyword tools. SEMrush. So if we put this in, realistically, since it's brand new, free, it's not free. So realistically, we shouldn't get any results really, since this is, okay, so look at this. The competition is low and the search volume is really low, which is obviously intended with this being a brand new AI tool. So for me, if I go to Prompt Perfect, let's just go ahead and do it on here, and I like this tool, I might make a video about it. Oh, look, accidentally went to Google. Psych. Let's go here. Or where's the AI Copilot? Let's type it in here. Prompt Perfect AI tool, and let's see what comes up. I put tools, but so I'm gonna click on here, which is the Genspark, which is a Spark page created by Genspark, and this is the tool. So Prompt Perfect is an AI-powered tool designed to optimize prompts for various AI models. Okay, well, I could use that. I'm not very good at prompting. So let's wait till this load, and I'm wondering if I can actually go to their website from here, which obviously should be the case. I think it's still loading. Oh my gosh, look at this. So it gives you features. I don't even need to go to the website. It gives me everything I need right here. Comparison with other tools, AI tools, every prompt engineering. Oh, this is crazy. So let's see if I can actually check out the website, even though I don't need to. So that takes me, so when you click here, it looks like it takes it into the Copilot. And what I'm thinking now is if I click here, it's going to take me to the website. It does. Oh my gosh. All right, Google. I don't know if I'm going to be using you anymore. Okay. Well, this video was longer than I expected, but definitely give this tool definitely check out this tool. I'm definitely going to be making some more videos about this in the future. Genspark.ai, and literally you just type that in and it takes you to this page. I can't like find anything as far as like paying. Like this is a completely free tool compared to ChatGPT Search, which allows you to, which you have to pay to use. So definitely check out Genspark. I like it, and I'm definitely going to be using this, and whenever I find some cool new features, I will make a video about it. That is it, AI pros. I will see you in the next one.